A little bit of an overview of my new rig. I just finished setting it up. I haven't fired it up yet. Of course, there's white 600T. It's absolute dream to work with, I guess. I love the cable management, the look, the feel. It's the awesome case. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'd be more than happy to try to answer them for you. Core i7 2600K processor, 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance RAM, 1600 megahertz I got on that. H80 CPU cooler with a blue LED fan. It's supposed to be a really nice fan. It's a GE lid or G lid fan. We'll see what that looks like when I fire it up. Asus P8 Z68 Pro board. A Radeon 6950 2GB HIS IceQX video card, and that's awesome looking. I got kind of a blue and white theme going, as you can see, and it's just, I think, an awesome looking video card. It probably depends on your taste, but Corsair AX850 power supply, and two Corsair 60 gigabyte solid state drives, and I want to set up in a RAID, and just a DVD burner and a Blu-ray player, both Asus. So my next video I'll be pushing power on this thing for the first time and hoping everything boots up right for me. So video my new video card, HIS 6950 2GB, and it's blue and white. I love the look of it, the chrome heat pipes, and performance wise, and a lot of stuff I looked at has this about even, maybe a little ahead of a 560 Ti, so I should be good to go for a little while, especially for well, mainly playing WoW, Star Wars, The Old Republic, stuff like that. Shouldn't be a problem, obviously. I think I can play Battlefield 3 on high settings. I haven't fired the computer up yet, it's all brand new, so next video will be firing that up for the first time and seeing how things look. Thanks. The overclock, rebooted and ran just a quick half-hour stress test to get some quick temperatures, and see that averaging mid-50s. This is at 4.4 gigahertz with my H80, and I have it only on the second fan thing because the noise really ramps up when you go to the third one. And max on all the cores, core 3 65, the other one's low 60s, so not too bad. This is how easy this Asus board makes it. 4.4 gigahertz, click of a button, and for me, this is all the performance I need. I'm not going to go crazy with voltages and get into the whole worried about stressing out my other AM idle after in about 30. And so yeah, I love this Asus board. It's a P8 Z68V Pro, and can't say enough good about it. Thanks.